Hi, my fabulous friends. Today is story time. I need to share a story with you on how basically I'm an idiot and I lied to myself. I'm kind of embarrassed by this, but I feel like there's a lesson to be learned here. This is a teachable moment, and I wanted to share it with you. So, to give you a bit of backstory, I've been going through all of my lip products because I need to declutter some, and I was actually going through and lip swatching all of them as well as swatching them on my arm. I have photos of everything. It's taken me a long time, but I am slowly putting that together for a video. And I did something similar last year. I swatched all my lip products very early in the year. I want to say end of January, early February. I know I filmed it on my iPhone before I even had my camera. So it was definitely early in the year that I filmed it. I posted it sometime early in the year as well. I'll link that video below. And I felt overwhelmed by the number of lip products that I had. I was definitely on the mindset that I did not want to add too many more lip products to my collection because I felt like I had too many already. Well, as I was going through my spreadsheet of lip products, I was putting in some dates on when I bought them. So what I'm doing with a lot of my products now is putting the dates of when I bought them. I'm actually putting it on the product itself as well. And with the lip products, I was like, I might as well put it in my lip product spreadsheet the year that I bought the product for the things that I bought in 2018. And when I was first going through the list, I had like, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7. I was like, yeah, that's about right. And then when I started matching up my photos to my products and figuring stuff out, I was like, wait a minute, there's more. So I just kept filling it out. And I was like, man, that seems like a lot. So did the little Excel pivot table thing, and there is 25. I bought 25 lipsticks, lip glosses. Does not include lip liners because there were 3 from that kit that I bought, the Color Workshop thing. But yes, 25 lipsticks, lip glosses, liquid lipsticks. And that was me consciously not trying to buy things. How did this happen? How did I do this? I feel like such an idiot. Um, Basically, yeah, I feel like an idiot. I somehow lied to myself throughout the year in terms of what I was actually buying. And I had a couple of treat yourself moments, which I guess would be fine if I'd not bought the other thing. Anyway, if you want to stick with me, I will go through the products and when I bought them and give you a little story of when and how I bought those products. This story starts in January with my Lucky Bag unboxing, and in that I got the Jouer Lip Topper in Skinny Dip. Now, obviously, this was not an intentional lip product buy, but that's what you get when you have a random bag that's a mystery bag and you have no idea what's in it. Unfortunately, it's a nice product, but it's not like a day-to-day product. It was one that was I wanted to try, fun to try, but it's not like an everyday kind of thing. Then we moved to March, and I did my first MAC purchase, and I went into the store to intentionally buy a eyeshadow, and I came out with a couple other things, MAC Fix Plus, and I also got MAC Velvet Teddy. Semi-intentional purchase. I had my eye on Velvet Teddy for a very long time. I just got the mini, so at least I was a little practical in that sense, and I do love it. It was a great purchase. Do not regret buying that. Then we move into, it was either April or May. I can't remember exactly when I bought this, but it was definitely in the springtime, and I got the Give Me Some Nude Lip Kit, which contains 6 different products. So now we're at a total of 8 products very early on in the year. Again, this was a mostly intentional purchase. I really thought through it. I had wanted to buy this set for a while. I held off. I ended up buying it when it went on sale. There's really only 2 items out of the 6 that I don't really care for. The first is this Vice, what do they call it? The Urban Decay Vice Special Effects in Fever. Again, like the Jouer Skinny Dip lip topper. It's fun, sure. Is it practical? Hell no. But anyway, and then the other thing is this Tartist lip paint it's the dry matte lip paint in Exposed, and it is dry and matte, and it leaves my lips non-existent, so I don't like this. But the rest of them I'm pretty cool with. I really do like the Hourglass and the Buxom. I like the Smashbox. The color is really nice. I'm not too keen on the formula though. And the NARS Orgasm, I'm coming around to. I didn't like it when I first got it, but it's something that I want to play with more come spring, summer and see if I like it. So for the first 6 months, this was all I bought. Things were under control. Things made sense. Then in July, it was my birthday, so I did the Sephora birthday gift, and I don't remember what the other gift was, but I definitely wanted the lip products. So of course I went for the Bite Beauty lip set. And I have no regrets that I picked this. Let's move everything up a little bit here. I really, really like this, the Glacé lip crayon. I would definitely consider buying more lip crayons and try, while it's a little bit dark, it is a really nice fall color for me. So again, that was an intentional pick. I accepted that. Again, I feel pretty comfortable with this situation. Then November happens. So nothing happened in August, September, October. I did awesome. Then I lost my mind in November. So I have no idea why, but at the beginning of November, I, for some reason, forgot that I bought this stuff. And I bought 3 lip products because I was like, I haven't really bought anything. I remember Velvet Teddy, and I remembered these. But for some reason, this Jouer Skinny Dip, lost that in my memory. Lost those in my memory. And I bought 3 lip products. The Maybelline Stay Matte Ink in Lover was definitely one that I had been toying about and thinking about for quite some time. So that was probably the most intentional one. The Infallible Pro Gloss, I don't know. I just wanted to try it, so I picked it up. And then the NYX Pinup Pout in Almost Famous. Total splurge purchase. I did not need to buy that. I probably should not have bought it. I slightly regret buying it. But this is where we're at. Then while perusing the Marshalls, it was Marshalls or Winners, I think it was Marshalls, I bumped across the little MAC Snowball Lip Kit in Cool, and it's from 2017, so it was on sale for like $20, and it came with 3 lipsticks, all minis, so totally okay, right? And yeah, total spontaneous buy. Obviously was not intending to buy this, and I had total FOMO from not picking any of this up last year, so I bought those in November. Then I decided to do a Spend Your Points event at Shoppers Drug Mart, which is our local drugstore. It's kind of like an Ulta thing with Spend Your Points. And I got the Dior, what do you call this? This is the Dior Lip Glow in 001. And the reason why I bought this was treat yourself. And it was in a sample kit from Sephora, and I really liked the sample. So yeah, even though I got it at a really good price, did not necessarily need that. And then for some reason, I decided to pick up the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in Barely Blush because I'd seen Lauren May Beauty talk about how much she likes that. So again, I picked that up. So here we are with November, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You would think with all that I did in November, I would be like, all right, that's it. Put the brakes on. No more lip products. Nope. I kind of lost my mind again in December. Now, situation-wise, I was not in a good frame of mind in December. Work was very stressful. I lost my cat. At this point in December, he was obviously still alive, but I knew things were going south very quickly. But that's not an excuse. I should have been able to keep it together, found outlets in other ways. But no, I decided to buy another Stay Matte Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Royal. Kind of regret buying this. I was looking at the shade, I think Superstitious or something like that. It starts with an S. And it looked maybe a little gray tone. And then I saw this color in the packaging. I was like, this is such a beautiful color. Forgetting that I don't usually wear a lot of dark lip colors. So kind of regret buying that. So let's move this over because we're gonna run out of room. I'm just telling you right now. So this was November. This is December. Then on a whim, I decided to buy the Color Workshop 80, whatever it was, 84-piece set. And in that 84-piece set came 5 lipsticks. Yes, they were like a quarter each when you add it all up, but still, 5 lipsticks running out of room. Obviously way too many. Obviously not intentional in terms of specifically for lip products, but I am glad I bought the kit. I was pleasantly surprised. I still use the two of the eyeshadow palettes. They're actually quite nice. And yeah, so kind of crazy, kind of not. Anyway, and because if this wasn't enough in my controlled spending of lip products, I bought one more thing, the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the original shade. Because, you know, treat yourself, even though I already did that multiple times during the year. So, just to show you, top half is from the first 6 months of the year. The bottom half is from the second 6 months of the year. I'm laughing, but I'm crying inside because I'm an idiot. I intentionally was trying to not buy lip products. I intentionally felt like I was missing something because I was not buying lip products. I did not buy the new L'Oreal lipsticks. I can't think of what they're called, but they're like the lightweight moisturizing ones. I intentionally did not buy the new Urban Decay lip glosses, even though I really wanted them. I intentionally did not buy the releases of lip glosses, the kits from Becca or Anastasia, even though I wanted those. There was also a Buxom lip balm kit that I wanted to buy. I did not buy that. Yet somehow I still ended up with this. I'm an idiot. Now, one saving grace in all of this is a number of these are minis, so at least that's somewhat practical. But again, I can't use that as an excuse. I use that to justify myself. It's okay to have so many if they're in minis, but in reality, that's a lie. I am lying to myself. So there you have it. There's the 25 products I bought and the timeline that I bought them in and the reason why I bought them. Not that that really justifies anything. And I even went through and added up all of the products. And yeah, I didn't spend a whole lot. On average, they were like $5.80-ish if I averaged it all out. But still, that's no excuse. That's no reason for, well, they were cheap and a bunch of them are minis. That's me lying to myself. So I'm not really sure what exactly the moral of this story is, other than even when you're trying to be conscious of what you're doing, unless you are very intentional, if you are documenting, I think that's where I've slipped up. I have a big spreadsheet of everything that I purchased last year, but I was not specifically looking at lip products and specifically paying attention to what I was buying. Like, I'm pretty sure when I was buying the stuff in November, I completely forgot what I bought in the first 6 months of 2018. Like, it was gone. Completely forgot about those products. So that's part of the lesson, I think, is being very mindful of what you already have before you go out and buy something else. I think that's something, particularly when, for me, lipsticks are something that are a spontaneous purchase. I'll be buying a couple of things in store and then I see like a new lip product or a color I really like and I decide to buy it that I do not need, but it's there and it's a impulse buy for me. I am doing a big lip declutter. I'm going to see where I end up after that. Like I said in my little roundup of what I bought, there were things that I wanted to buy last year that I did not buy because I thought I was doing such a good job of not buying lip products. It's kind of like, I always equate things to like dieting or exercise. It's like you tell yourself that, oh, I ate salad and I ate this, but you totally forget that, oh yeah, that other day I had cookies at work. Oh, and then I grabbed a chocolate bar because I was running late. Like, you lie to yourself. I lied to myself, obviously. And I think what I did is something that's human nature, something that's probably common to many of us. So hopefully maybe you can learn from my mistakes. You can maybe see, looking at me, what I did wrong, because it's very hard to look at myself and figure out what I could have done differently, and really be hard on myself because I was wrong. I bought way more than I should have, and I need to, check myself. I'm not as good as I think. There is no halo above my head, even though I want to think there is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to, I would really like it if you subscribe to my channel and check out some of my future videos. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.